Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans Gaming. This is part 8 for April 2024 STL prints for D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. And also the links that we'll be looking at will be down as well. So Blue Raven, they do a little bit of proxy. They're more like polygony. I know we got Tyranids, I think, for April. If you want some really cool looking cheap proxy Tyranids, this might be it for you guys. Just letting you guys know. They're not made to look like the best ones, but it's something if you guys want to have some like proxies for it. 3D printing realm. Let's see here. Second STL for April now available. So we have this one. And I think we got Queen of Blades. Oh yeah, Queen. I have too many damn Queen of Blades. But yeah, so that those are, you get the free orc one as well, pie from World of Warcraft. And it looks like dragon heads as well to mount on your wall. Nutshell, a tier another figure one as well. March 11th. No, we don't want March. We're still work in progress. We want to know what April's going to look like. So this is going to be April. And we have a Lambas, I believe which is the call, half woman, half thing. But yeah, we have that. And they have the NSFW version of this as well. And I believe that's it for that one. Ruben is taking a hiatus for this month. So we'll see them next month for it. Bruno Art 3D Studio. Bonus one, Vampira. We have G.I. Joe, Bronosa, Black Canary. They're working on. We have Black Canary. Aigo Asagi. April 4th. We got Tila, I believe it's called. And the Sorcerer. I believe those are it for this month. Wicked. Well, let's see what Wicked has. We have, let's see, a Mystique, Black Widow, and Hawkeye. I think that's for last month. These are the bust for it. These are the March term that has been completed. March term Gladiator. My dad knows more about these things than I do. We have Mystique with her tongue out, with Raven with the claw. The normal looking one's better, I would say. But let's see here. Be free and stay wicked. So we're gonna get, see here, Rare Comic Sculpture, Black Widow's Buzz, Hawkeye. We already got a majority of that. The only thing we didn't get is, looks like Rogue in the bottom. Term, Rocky. But there's no April term, looks like it. I just think they're just gonna, they usually have it out really late. This is SW3D, same people there, but they do Star Wars, April. We have Bounty Hunters, looks like it. If you're interested. That's for April. March one was Mace Windu and Palpatine. That looked really cool to print. GM3D. We have figures for these guys. We got Anya. Sorry, April is these two. One from No Game No Life. Forgot this one was. I forgot. I watched it in Toonami a long time ago. But it's those two. Die Move 3D will be Anita. If you're interested in that. OX03D. We are getting Peach. Police Showtime. And we have April. I know we're supposed to get Aerith as well. Oh, the special release. This is one of the special releases coming out. Loyalty will be Darth Vader and 2 stormtroopers. Assassin Ninja. I think also supposed to get Aerith as well. Another special release. Misa of the Impaler from Elden Ring. Yeah, we're missing Aerith and Bunny Suit. Francis Quiz. There he's doing. Forgot. This is from Thundercats. This is what they're doing next on their thing. The Catwoman's already out. For it, I forgot. I never watched Thundercats. Just letting you guys know. So you might have a better idea whose Thundercat it is. Yeah, Yuko Studio. So we'll get Rimuru Bunny Suit. I feel sorry for him. And Riza from Altair. That's for May. For that's May character as well. I think for April will be no Fumo Bushido from this year. The Rising of the Shield Hero. I haven't watched season 3 yet for it, but that'll be it for this. But I think this is a female version of him. So just letting you guys know. Pat Gesta. Let's see here. Another figure. They should have something. I think it's Claire Redfield. And I think Boa Hancock. And Gwen's Spider Gwen for it. No, yeah, Spider. That does not look like Spider Gwen. That's Gwen. Looks like Gwenpool. Why do they call it Spider Gwen and Gwenpool? Okay. Okay, now I know. We have Rodon Studio. We got Broly. It looks like that's April. Broly, Law, and Brooke. That's coming out for this month. Loft Mechi Studio. For this, we have Orgrim from World of Warcraft. I think Orgrim or Solo Orgrim. I like him with the wolf a lot. So I think you get Orgrim and Orgrim with the wolf for it. Then the next one is Yuri. That's going to be the next one for it. STL Para. I don't think they have anything new. It's from January 23rd. This one has pretty much hasn't really done nothing really. It's just fantastic plants and rocks. Wow, he just changed it all, didn't he? He's just doing plants and stuff. He's not doing what we usually do is print your monster. Oh yeah, he's just doing terrains. If you're just to go for it. This one is puzzles and props. If you have a bigger printer, if you want to do props for your thing, this is April ones as well. You have the pipe ram, lantern, gauntlet, helm, puzzles, crown, rocks, and stuff like that. Keys and coins. So if you're interested of printing a big size just for your D&D game, this would be pretty good for puzzles and props. Hardcore miniatures. This is Warhammer proxies. I think we are getting squats. Well, I don't know the space dwarves for this month. That's March release, supposed to be orcs. Next one is Biobreed. I don't think this guy is May 10, 2023. Anything newer? April 7th. There we go. Is Lionheart. I believe that's it. Lionheart. Never seen Lionheart before. Till now. SwanNet 3D. Hasn't done anything since February. I think they're on hiatus right now. Dark Factory. April. Corrupted Cybermech Kickstarter. So we have a Kickstarter for a Titan. A couple other stuff I might be actually really interested in on getting, tell you the truth, because that's pretty good, especially for like chaos and everything else. Yeah, that'll be looking real awesome for chaos. Chaos Cultist. But yeah, that I'll put that down for you guys as well. I'm gonna put that down for it. You have the Titans and everything else. That looks ridiculously cool. Yep. Fuck, I'm gonna print and paint that shit, don't I? They haven't really done anything much, so Kickstarter's fine, I guess. 3D Fortress. This is gonna be May for terrains. For it, May. They got saloon and stuff. This is May 29th one. World War II tanks. So I think a lot of these are going to be going towards April. I don't know what April is. Oh, we have train tracks and a bridge. Looks like it. Yeah, that'd be look good for some war stuff. We got some trains, carts and stuff. So we're doing a lot of trains for you guys. If you're interested, down link below. And they're not here anymore. Anderson Cut 3D. Yeah, a lot of Patreons are just gone. Well, anyhow, if you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. The links for this will be down as well. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.